Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Well, as you can see, I have some fall decor on the table that I'm going to use to decorate. Now I'm going to do a DIY project using this crate. I'm super excited. I haven't done a DIY project in forever, and I always think they're super fun. So I'm going to take this wood crate that I got over at Hobby Lobby for around $10, and I'm going to paint it. Now you could use any color that you wanted to match your decor, but I decided I'm going to use White Dove. This is a Benjamin Moore color. But it looks like I probably bought this over at Home Depot. This is Bear. But my idea is to use the off-white color on this crate, and then over at the dollar store they have stencils and they have orange paint. Now my idea was to put some letters on here, some words like pumpkin patch, hayride, and use the stencils and use the orange paint. But you know what? I am horrible at stenciling. I cannot do it for whatever reasons. It always bleeds through. So if you guys have a trick and can really do stenciling really well, let me know in the comments, because I am terrible at it. I can't do it. So I'm going to be using something else to put my words on here. And then over at the dollar store, they also had this little pick. This is super cute for $1. It says Hello Fall. My idea is, again, to put this inside the crate. I may have to cut this off a little bit so it's not too tall sticking out. And then they have these over there. This says Farm Fresh, locally grown produce, 100% organic. This is really cute. My idea for this is to put it right here on the sides of the crate. We're going to use some hot glue and we're going to glue them on there, and that's going to look really adorable on there, because again, on the words, I'm going to use apple cider, so this is going to be perfect to use these. And then also, if you like pumpkins, they have this in a pumpkin shape, also with some different words on there. And then I have a few pumpkins here in orange. These came from Hobby Lobby last year. And I won't know till I start decorating what's going to work. I have this small little one with a little wooden top. And then I have some sunflowers. Don't remember where these came from, but these again are from last year. I have a whole bucket in the other room full of fall stuff. So if I need anything, I'll just go back in there and look for some more things. I have a little owl. I thought this was really cute. This could look really cute sitting there. And then of course, couldn't do the crate without having some fall leaves. We'll see how I use these and incorporate those into the crate. Well, I have these stacked books if I need to use this to give my decor some height in my crate, but I think I'm going to use this straw bale that came from Walmart. This is priced $3.98, and I think this is the perfect size to fit right down in the crate, so I'm probably going to use this. And then if I need any other more height, I have these little stands here that were from Hobby Lobby for $2.99, and I believe I got these at 40% off, and there's 2 of them. And then I found this little pumpkin. Last year, this came from Hobby Lobby, and the price on this is $15.99, and then I believe I probably got 40% off this little pumpkin. And then for my words, I'm going to be using these little words that I had made up, which is really nice. You can make up your own words. It came from Estes. This one says Pumpkin Patch, and what I like about this, it has the Ray Dunn font, and I think is really cute. Pumpkin Patch. I have hayrides, and then apple cider, and this is going to go on the front of my crate. So let's see what I can come up with. Well, I'm all finished painting, so I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit, and then when I come back, we're gonna be attaching these to the side of the crate. So go ahead and plug in your hot glue gun, let that heat up while this is drying. Okay, I haven't glued this on yet, but I went ahead and just set it up there. So you wanna kind of center it in the middle and give yourself a flat surface so it rests right on there. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put some glue on the back side so it catches right here. And I think we'll be good. So I'm gonna set that on the surface like that and make sure it's, and then just hold that for a few minutes. Get that to stick. And there you have it. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. Well, here you have it. It's all done. I think it looks adorable. I went ahead and finished off the inside with paint. So now let's go decorate. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY project. I really had a lot of fun creating this. Now you guys could make this your own by adding your own words. You could put a different color on here as well, and then you could always add something different to the sides. Now I'm using these little Farm Fresh shaped like an apple. The little plaque here is really cute, and I was thinking, how cute would it be if I added some apples to this? So I may play around with this and do something different, and then on here I could put something here as well, which would be really cute. So I hope this gave you some decorating ideas and inspiration, and until next time, happy decorating!